Unless you're getting weak.
Where's the wood?
Okay. I'm recording, Vince. Do something. Wait. Do something.
That's like a nail right here.
Oh God.
Oh, don't hit the thing behind it. Just you see the big oil thing behind it.
Oh God.
Oh, you motherfucker. It's not going anywhere.
Look at the top. Look at the top. Look at the whole wall.
Oh. Love you. Jesus.
I can't believe it's not going anywhere.
Oh.
There you go. Jeez.
What's behind there?
The big oil thing. That's what I'm saying.
This is another wall.
Oh God.
Shit!
Is there nothing on that side?
I don't think so. Oh, my ankle! I wasn't supposed to make the wood, was I?
Yeah, the wood's bad. But this wood?
This wood?
Oh yeah, that's all coming down. I didn't know there was a big ass fucking...
That's why I couldn't. It wasn't breaking.
Wood.
Okay, you broke the support.
Is that bad?
No, these are all the supports are coming down too. But that's funny, you cracked the support.
Hold on. It's alive! It's alive! No! Be afraid! Be afraid! Oh shit! He's still coming! He's still coming!
I'm a juggernaut, bitch!
Are you done?
I don't know. You tell me.
Yeah.
That was awesome.
These are some big
This is what I do at work. I put them up.
Okay.
These are big garbage bags.
I'm gonna hit stop now. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna break something else.
No, I don't think so.
No, that's the only wall coming down.
No.